Yo, 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 yo! What's the garage? Ooh, oil change challenge.
Oil change challenge?
Oil. Yep.
Well, that's not oil. That's not gonna help you,
Chocolate
Della.
milk. It's delicious.
You gonna put that on mommy's engine?
Nope.
Alright, so Della's gonna go ahead and grab her stuff, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab my stuff, and then you guys gonna see it. I'm gonna put on the clock 3 minutes, head start. We got here, we got Noah Lee, we got Danielle Nicole, we got Rocky, and we got Tara. Yo, yo! So today we're gonna have a challenge. We're gonna do a K24 TS6 oil change. And we're going to do the EG K20 oil change. I know it's kind of bright out here. So it's gonna be between me and Tara. Tara thinks if I give her 3 minutes that she can beat me to it. So, you can see right here, I got my stuff on my side. Got the jack stands, jack, oil filter, got the wrench, and then same with Tara. She's got her stuff right here. I don't have 2 oil pans to drop the oil, so I got this itty bitty one right here. So it is what it is. So I'm gonna tell Tara when the 3 minutes starts, so that way she can go ahead and start. Doing an oil change. So I'm gonna put the timer on, and I'll show you guys. Okay, there you go. Here's the timer. I have it set on 3 minutes. And Tara, are you ready?
Yep.
Get set, go. Boom, 3 minutes. You better hurry up. Three,
2, 1.
boom. You can see that. It's my turn.
Dad, I'm in your side. Hey, Daddy, why it's taking so slow?
I'm waiting for this oil to go down. See? It probably took me 3 minutes just for this oil to go down.
Let me see.
See? It's still dripping.
What the?
It's still dripping. I'm waiting for the oil to go down.
Oh, you're getting oil on you.
That's fine.
Now let's go on Mommy's side.
What? Oh man, I'm still over here pouring oil, Noah. This is not fair. This is not fair. This is not fair.
What do you think mommy should win, Noah? What? You're a freak.
The only reason you won is because I'm OCD and I try to clean everything up.
You think I should win pizza?
And I try to clean up.
Oh, yeah.
I try to clean up all the
But
oil drops.
Daddy's eating the pizza too.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Well, then that's not me winning. That's us just getting pizza.
See, look at that. That's why I'm not done, because I gotta clean up everything.
I know, right?
She will go back over there and check your, see if you clean everything up.
Yeah, Mom, you're gonna have to start
You
over.
probably wouldn't be able to tell.
Mom, you're gonna have to start over. Because that's not fair. That's when.
Double check this. Nice and fresh.
Whoa.
Yeah, buddy. You gotta clean it up. You gotta put it back in, nice and smooth. Got the nice K-Tune dipstick. Oh,
Boom, shakalaka, bet somebody got the doctor.
done.
Finally.
What do you think? I beat you by like 2 minutes? 3 minutes?
What do you think?
think?
I think you probably win. Maybe 3 minutes.
You won in.
Maybe 2 minutes.
You won in 20
have to-
minutes.
Okay.
We'll have to check
You
the
won in
clock.
20 minutes, Mom.
So,
Wait, can I do
I guess she took this challenge. Yeah, she's gonna put the flex. She's gonna put the flex.
Anything girls can do. Or wait, no, that's wrong. Anything boys can do, girls can do. That is-
Boys can do better. That's because I'm OCD and
boys
it
can do
took me
better.
some time to clean up and get everything all organized, you know, otherwise. Now let's see who's gonna finish putting all this other stuff back.
Oh, you
All
win.
this stuff.
You win. That's the prize.
I'm sorry guys, nobody's got something to say.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Leave your comments down below if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks. Rocky, got something to say? Did I got something to say? Huh? Rocky? Rocky? You got something to say? Huh? What's in the garage?